Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious nachos at home without frying. First, gather your ingredients. Choose robust tortilla chips that can hold up to generous toppings. Prepare your favorite cooked meats, like seasoned chicken or beef, and chop fresh vegetables such as onions and bell peppers. Remember to shred your own cheese. It melts much more smoothly than pre-shredded varieties, ensuring a perfectly gooey result for your homemade treat. Now, let's build those layers for maximum flavor in every bite. Begin by spreading a single, even layer of tortilla chips across a large baking sheet. Next, sprinkle approximately 1/3 of your shredded cheese and a portion of your chosen toppings over the chips. Repeat this layering process 2 more times, ensuring that each chip has a chance to be covered. This method guarantees a perfect distribution of ingredients throughout your nachos. With your nachos beautifully layered, it's time to bake them to golden perfection. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your baking sheet into the preheated oven. Bake for approximately 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is completely melted and bubbly, and the chips are lightly toasted. Keep a close eye on them during the last few minutes to ensure they do not burn, achieving that ideal crispness. Finally, let's add those delightful finishing touches to your perfectly baked nachos. Once out of the oven, generously garnish with fresh ingredients like chopped cilantro, thinly sliced jalapenos, and a dollop of cool sour cream or guacamole. Serve your warm, cheesy creation immediately to enjoy the melted goodness and crispy chips. This simple method delivers incredibly satisfying homemade nachos, all without the hassle or mess of deep frying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.